I don't worry. I tell you, I'm a man who believed that I died 20 years ago. And I live like a man who is dead already. I have no fear whatsoever of anybody or anything.
Malcolm X was a brilliant young man. He told the teacher he wanted to be a lawyer, and that teacher suggested instead that he be a carpenter. That begins Malcolm X's sort of slow slide out of school.
Why should the black man have to go to court to get freedom when a white man in this country is free when he's born? Why should the black man need some legislation to prove that he's a human being when you don't need any legislation to prove that whites are human beings? You will never get real freedom and recognition between black and white people in this country without destroying the country, and it'll be a complete destruction of everything that America supposedly stands for before a white man in this country will recognize a black man as something on the same level with himself.
With great regret, there's no organization in this country that could do more for the struggling black man than the Black Muslim movement if it wanted to. But it has gotten into the possession of a man who's become senile in his old age and perhaps doesn't realize it. And then he has surrounded himself by his children who are now in power and want nothing but luxury and security and comfort.
I was at Mecca making the pilgrimage. I spoke about the brotherhood that existed at all levels, what the religion of Islam had done for those people over there, despite their complexion differences, that it would probably do America well to study the religion of Islam.